Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the font of your text in a Facebook post. Facebook doesn't offer built-in font styles, but I'll show you a simple trick to make your text stand out. So first, to be able to begin, make sure to log in onto the account where you want to add your post. So as you can see, I'm currently in already, and then here onto the post option or where you can create a post, just go ahead and type in anything that you want to post. Like for example, hi everyone. Then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to copy that one out. Now to change the font, since we've copied that one out, open a font generator website like LingoJam in here. So you could go ahead and copy out the URL for this so that you could get redirected onto the same link, which is lingojam.com/fancy text generator. So here you could paste the text here and the fancy text will come here onto the right side. So feel free to choose on which one you want to use. So choose from different font styles, bold, italic, medieval, or unique fonts that we have in here. Like for example, I want to use this one, this small one. So you'll just have to simply copy that one out and then head back onto your Facebook and then let's remove this and paste this. As you can see, it did change the font. Let's post that here. And as you can see, our font style is different from from the default one here on Facebook. And this trick also works in comments and also on your Facebook bio. And that is just basically it. You've successfully changed the font in your Facebook post. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.